Astăzi am nimerit aici pe malul lacului Michigan și este un mare concurs de pescuit, fishing. Da, și dânsul este cel care o să cântărească pe acest cântar minunat, o să cântărească peștii. Și aici sunt de-astea de pescuit. Scule. Uite, scule, fete frumoase, și pascule, blonde, brunete, toate tipurile de fete sunt aici în America. Ia uite cum arată un conservation officer. Yes. Uite ce bărbat frumos.
Okay, how about one last wave for the OPP and the Coast Guard before the tournament's over? Give them a big wave.
Are you going to hold them for the picture?
Who we got? Michaela.
Iată și două tinere pescărițe. Iată ce frumoase sunt amândouă.
Okay, watch the hooks now.
Da, uite că acum el cântărește.
All right.
You're going to hold up your fish? You want to stand and he'll hold your fish for you? Move the rod out of the way for you.
Here, give me the rod. Give me the rod, and you two stand right in front there. Turn around.
Turn around. We're going to take your pictures.
Thank you.
Back a little bit.
Look at the camera.
Nice.
You're looking at the camera?
Well, nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Now we're going to
Now
wait.
we're going to weigh him.
Yes.
0.10, Michaela. Congratulations.
Bigger, okay?
It's a big fish. Yes.
All right, here we go.
They're behind you.
Oh, who we got here? Jason. Yeah.
Uite asta, asta și mai mic.
Jason.
Altul a venit.
Da, acolo e poliția canadiană.
All right, we're going to weigh that, Jaden. 0.05.
Okay, so remember how you walk with it?
That's okay. It's a small.
Didn't even weigh.
It looks like it's back to the old drawing board for this guy. Back to step one again. Hey, if I don't get him this
Peștele la apă că moare, mă, fratele.
that's like
Așa, perfect. Ia uite, alta embarcațiune acolo. Asta nu știu ce face.
Stai tot de față.
Iar vis-a-vis de noi, aici sunt toți concurenții, vezi? Ia ce de concurenți. Și vis-a-vis, dincolo de Michigan este...
All right, I'm going to make an announcement that once the tournament is over, the derby is over, the music's going to start, and while the music's playing, you can get something to eat, all right? So you got about a minute to go.
Thank you.
You just have to register. If you want to, you got 2 minutes left. Yeah.
Do you want to say something for Romanian people?
Hello. Nice to see all of you.
I love you.
Yeah.
All of you. Yes, and another.
Okay. This is Ontario.
Who are you?
My name is Eva.
You live here in...
yes, in Windsor.
He's vice president of the organization.
This competition.
Yes.
Okay. If you want maiden competition in Romania, you can go.
Okay.
Bucharest.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. But I hope you enjoy your day.